Now moving on to question number 30. In 2019, researcher Patricia Jurado Gonzalez and food historian Nawal Nasrallah prepared a stew from a 4,000-year-old recipe found on Mesopotamian clay tablet. When they tasted the dish known as pašrūtum, which means unwinding, they found that it had a mild taste and inspired a sense of calm. Blank the researchers, knowing that dishes were sometimes named after their intended effects, theorized that the dish's name unwinding referred to its function to help ancient diners relax. Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? Is it A, therefore, B, alternately, C, nevertheless, or D, likewise? So for number 30, A, therefore, is the best answer. Therefore, logically signals that the action described in this sentence, that is, the researchers theorizing that the dish was named for its effect on diners. So, when they tasted known as pašrūtum unwinding, they found that the mild taste and inspired sense of calm. So, what did the researchers, knowing that the dish were sometimes named after their intended effects? So, the researchers theorizing that the dish was named for its effect on diners is a result of consequences of the previous observation that the dish had a calming effect. So, unwinding should have something to calm them. And B is incorrect because alternately, illogically signals that the action described in this sentence offers an alternative or contrast to the previous observation that the dish had a calming effect. It's not having it is having a calming effect. So it's not alternatively, we cannot say. Instead, the action is a result of the consequence of that observation. C is incorrect because nevertheless illogically signals that the action described in this sentence occurs despite the previous observation that the dish had a calming effect. Instead, the action is a result or consequence of that observation. What they are observing and what they feel after eating is the same. So we cannot use alternately or nevertheless. Likewise, choice D is incorrect because likewise illogically signals that the sentence merely adds a second similar detail to the previous observation that the dish had a calming effect. But instead, this sentence describes an action that is a result or consequence of that observation. So therefore is the best answer in this case.